Let's talk about the XL Thick Disposable Face Towels, my new absolute must-have. They're soft, super absorbent, and 100% biodegradable, so you can feel good about using them and the planet will too. Best part, they're cruelty-free, vegan, and allergen-free, making them perfect for anyone with sensitive skin. Unlike traditional towels, which can trap bacteria and irritate your skin, these towels are single-use. Just use them once and throw them away. No worries about germs or bacteria, and they're fragrance and alcohol-free, so they're perfect for delicate skin. You can use them wet or dry, and they are my go-to for taking off my makeup to prevent breakouts. They're super versatile too. You can use them for your face, body, pet care, cleaning makeup tools, or even household chores. Trust me, my family always asks me to borrow one when I'm on the go or traveling, and I always make sure to pack them when I'm going on a trip. They come with a smooth side for gentle wiping and a textured side for tougher cleaning. I even use them to wipe my glasses and electronics because let's face it, my glasses get dirty so quickly. And I'm about to tell you the best part. It comes with over 50 towels in one pack, so you're always stocked up. Perfect for every day and anything. Grab yours today.